Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payment with Venmo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your device. Log into your account if you aren't already. Navigate to the Manage Balance option in the main menu. Tap on Add Funds if you need to transfer money to your Venmo balance. Choose the payment method you wish to use. Enter the amount you want to add. Confirm the details to proceed with the transaction. After completing the transaction, check your email or app notifications for a confirmation. If you're receiving a payment, go to your notifications section. Look for a notification indicating the payment has been sent. Tap on the notification to view the details of the transaction. Make note of the sender's username and the transaction amount. You can also check your transaction history for verification. Go to the Activity tab on the bottom of the screen. Locate the specific transaction to verify its status. If the payment is marked as completed, your verification is successful. In case of any issues, you can contact Venmo support for assistance. Remember to keep your app updated for a smoother experience. You are now ready to verify payments with Venmo confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.